All right, guys, it is time for break number 3 of Hit Parade Series 5 Big Box. You've got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items in it. Ton of big names, big items that you can find in these boxes. So every spot in this gives you 2 random last name letters. So the only letters we're not using are Q and X. So 24 total letters, so 12 spots in this. Randy J, you've got 1 spot in this. Rick M's got 2. Donnie's got 2. Kyler's got 1. Deborah C with 1. Alan's got 1. And then Seth K closed us out with the last 4 spots. All right, so we'll do break number 3 tonight. I've got 2 more coming. So we'll do those next weekend. Next weekend, next Monday night. So we'll put another one on the website here over the next day or so. All right, so we'll randomize the letters and the names in this, match them up. All right, so 2 letters per spot. So you got Josh Allen. I guess the last name letter A is the letter to get in this, because you got Josh Allen and Hank Aaron. All right, so Alan, you've got C and Y. Deborah, you've got A. There you go, A and I. Donnie's got D, G, T, and K. Kyler, you've got V and B. Randall's got H and P. Rick's got L, U, F, and W. And then Seth, you've got Z, N, O, J, S, R, E, and M. All right, so there are your list of letters for break number 3. All right. All right, so box 40 out of 50 on this one. The box just made a noise. All right, so tape and seal is intact. Get this light turned on. If you guys are watching live, we've still got spots available in a few other breaks on the website. Here we go. Good luck. First up. Dang, what is this? Dude, that's sweet, man. It looks like a Will Clark. That looks like that is definitely not a custom jersey. TriStar authenticated. Should be last name letter C, which will be Allen. And it is. There you go, Will Clark. This has got to be like a Cooperstown one, even though he's not a Hall of Famer. It is. Mitchell and Ness. A nice jersey there. All right, so Alan, congratulations to you on that one. Next up, we got a Jared Goff. This is going to be a Rams jersey. Last name letter G, which will be Donnie. Donnie, there you go, man. And it is a Nike Fanatics authenticated, nice on-field jersey for Jared Goff. That's cool. Stafford might win them a Super Bowl this year, though. Oh. Now this is a cool one. Panini authenticated. Come on. Check that out, man. Andrew Luck. So nice Wilson. Still the tags on there. And it's number 2 to 50. 34 out of 50 on that. That's cool. Guy would have been a Hall of Famer if he hadn't quit or retired. Nice hit there on the Andrew Luck. So Rick, that one is you, man. In case you doubt that it's Andrew Luck, there you go. Alright, so that's what, 3 items. Looks like we got another seat. Except it's not a Dwight Gooden. This time it's going to be a Wade Boggs. It's got Red Sox Hall of Fame, 12-time All-Star inscribed on it. So is that a seat from Fenway? It might be a Fenway seat. Last name letter B on that will be Kyler. So David Adams authenticated. Wrapped up in this? What do we have in here? All right, one item left. All right, Steiner Fanatics authenticated. I don't know who that is. It's a 16 by 20. I have no idea. It looks like a last name letter C. Now it's going to be Nate Archibald. Nate Archibald, so last name letter A, and that will be Deborah. All right, so nice hit there. And that looks like that'll do it for big box. So cool box. Some nice items down in there. So we'll get those items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And we'll do at least one, maybe two more of these next week.